Yeah, having a good night there, Deep Fried?
Yeah, living the dream. Why is this conveyor always such a mission?
Hang on, I think I saw something about that on my Torqn feed.
Torqn?
Product build-up under conveyor. Yeah. Yeah, look, this bloke in Texas reckons changed the belt scraper out for this one. Yeah, and the manufacturer's in here too with a link. And look, there's a shop in Kalgoorlie here that says they ship them the same day.
Right. Yeah, all those other comments reckon it's a duck's nuts too. Those useless maintenance bastards getting me covered in shit for nothing.
Righto, I'll get down to order one.
Nah, don't tell him. He'll just find us another shit job. I'll get the workshop onto it.
Yeah, get talking, mate. It's like a social media app. It's free. You're getting a loop full of people who work on all the same gear as us. Mobile plant too. Everything. You can even tell the manufacturers how to design their gear better.
Oh, it's just you.
Yeah, how's the new scraper working out?
Man, I'm catching up on this Stranger Things. Good show, eh? Gotta miss the 80s films. Hey, how long did we used to get to hose out those anthills?
About 10 hours.
Oh, righto. I'll get going on season 2 then.
Get talking. Download the app today. Link in the description.